Are we on this time? Because I thought I was recording. Apparently I wasn't. So, let's do it this way. Hi, this is Shane from Greenstone Services and from Shane's Books and Review. I swear I didn't do it. Maybe I did do it. No, I didn't. What a fantastic 3 days it's been. I've been busy as all get out. I haven't had a chance to do what I wanted to do. And whenever I did try to do what I wanted, which was go out and find some wood for the bookcase, I wasn't finding stuff that I could match up very well. Okay, now over here, pardon the mess, let's do a quick zoom. In the grand scheme of things will be wonderful, but for me to find wood that was this wide and old, I just wasn't very successful, although I did try. I don't have any books up yet. I don't have any of the trinkets I want on here either, as of right now, but I am at least going to get things set up and do my first book review from here on Shane's Books and Review, and we'll see how that works out. I can't run these lights above me because in the last video I did, and there was this horrific hum all the way through everything. Hence why they're off right now. Granted, you can hear the traffic outside, but we've got plans for that. At least to cut it down a bit. So without further ado, I'm going to finish up some things on this, get everything set up, get that little review made, and then get the second one made because I'm 2 books behind. Go me. And then after that, then we'll probably set up my computer over here so that I'll need to remember to turn that off. My computer over here so I can take care of things if customers call without having to leave here and go to my office that's at another location, and also maybe get Resolve, since that's what I use, installed on it, and maybe a video card. I have one at the house that was a spare. It just wasn't big enough for me to do 4K on in a reasonable amount of time. But if I had my videos edited here and then I can leave and just let it run, that's okay, because I can log in later on and then upload it, or keep it off the internet completely and transfer them via thumb drive once it's done and then upload them. Either which way, it gives me another option, which is a beautiful thing today. Now, whenever I went to turn on my lights, I didn't know what to expect because this is a cheapo product, as it were. I just happened to find it in a store at the registers. Didn't necessarily say as seen on TV, but it was kind of in that area. And I saw them as $10 experiments. Each one cost $10, so I got 4. So I wanted to see if having lights that I could change the colors on were important to me or not. And for $40 compared to $160 to find out, it was actually a fairly good deal for me. I do like the concept, but I don't like the functionality. Let me explain. Slow pan. Right about here is where I will stop. Now, here's what's to know. The one at the very top is set to music mode. That's not very smooth. It changes very rapidly in between the colors. Now, as far as what happened whenever I went to shoot my videos, I turned on the lights, I thought, through the app, and nothing happened. Ultimately, what I had to do was I had to remove them from the app, and then I deleted the app's cache. Then I went back into the app and re-added the bulbs and got them back to where I wanted. Do I want the one at the top flashing all the time? No, I don't. After I had deleted it, I was able to regroup these guys in the app, and I was able to set things up again, which was not really hard. With these bulbs in that music mode, you wouldn't have all of them going at the same time. See, I just backed out to the color wheel, and now that I've done that, the top one is absolutely solid. It's not moving. So let's set that back to where we want. I've got a group where I should be able to hit this button and turn them all off. The one on the right side and the one on the top turned off, but the left one is still on. Well, let's hit it again. Now that one's off. All right, great. Now they're all on. Awesome. Well, now I gotta hit it again. Oh, well, what's going on here? Try to turn it off, try to turn it off. Okay, now they're all off, right? And, oh, they're all on. And, oh. Now, you would think that there would be a pattern to this, right? Like maybe if you tapped it once, you got one bulb on. Or if you pressed it twice, you would get the second one. Or if you hit it 3 times, then you would get the third one. As you can see, that's not what is happening. I mean, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's just there's no rhyme or reason on which one turns on or turns off. Press and hold it. Nope. Nothing. No difference. I eventually probably would have got Philips Hue on my own without getting those first, though. And I have to say this is not a sponsored video. I am so small in the grand scheme of things. I don't get paid for this. I do it because I like it. I do it because I want to. I mean, that's really it. Especially at the time it takes to edit things. I don't have a team. I just do it all myself. Now, those bulbs over there, I'm expecting to find that whenever I come back in here, I'll have the same thing happen. Being that whenever I go turn them on the app, they won't be seen, and I'll have to pretty much wipe the application and reinstall them. If that's the case, I'll make do until I get the Philips stuff. I've got to find it because this is a small area, and I'm not sure of what places would have it right off the go. But I'm sure I can find it somewhere. Hope you guys have had a great week. I know I did. And I can't wait to see where we get to. Anyhow, long and the short, I'll stop droning on. It's 5:45. I need to get home and get some stuff edited and visit with my fam. So don't forget to gently massage that subscribe button. Click the like and share because sharing, after all, is caring. This has been Shane, and we'll see you next time.